Good evening, everyone, and thanks for joining us tonight. I'm Omari Fleming. Multiple women are accusing a former Chula Vista Police Department employee of creating highly sexualized pictures of them. A suit filed just this week claims the former cybersecurity network specialist took pictures of them and used AI to alter them into pornographic images. NBC 7's Jeanette Quesada shows us what happened and why the city is being accused of negligence.
The complaint was filed Tuesday. It claims the 5 women have been victims of emotional distress, stalking, distribution of explicit materials, and negligence involving the City of Chula Vista and its former cybersecurity specialist, Russell Morgan.
Morgan Stewart is one of the attorneys representing the 5 women, ages 24 to 39, who filed the complaint.
It is a complaint predicated on his employment with the city, specifically the police department, and his creation of pornographic images of his coworkers using AI through departmental access.
According to Stewart, hard copies of the images were found on Morgan's desk, which led to an investigation. He says the investigation found more photos had been made of his female colleagues.
You expect and anticipate that somebody in a role with a city department and a police department is going to be held to a higher standard.
The complaint accuses the City of Chula Vista of negligence for not supervising Morgan and alleges he stalked his colleagues on social media to obtain access to their photos.
This was going on during city time and during using city resources.
Stewart says although the investigation revealed Morgan used the images for his own purposes, it remains unclear for how long Morgan had been manipulating the images, raising concerns among the victims about the extent to which he may have shared them.
They have significant concerns of the impact that this is going to have on their lives, their careers, their families, their other employment opportunities.
Stewart says prior to filing the complaint, his office gave the City of Chula Vista an opportunity to address the concern, but they refused. NBC 7 reached out to the City of Chula Vista, but a spokesperson for the city said they cannot comment on pending litigation.
Now we have to be looking for things that are happening inside of our perimeter.
Nicholas Behar is a cybersecurity expert and professor at the University of San Diego. He says smartphones have given people access to AI tools, making it easier for them to manipulate images. He says this introduces a new kind of threat workplaces didn't have to think about 5 years ago.
It's really hard now because especially when folks engage in these types of activities on personal devices, those are personal devices, so employers aren't going to have access to those devices, and folks can go and get images from social media.
An alleged activity that attorney Stewart says has left him no longer employed by the police department. Jeanette Quesada, NBC 7.
And attorney Stewart says his victims hope the suit will help to uncover what kind of vetting is done during the city's hiring process and what access to information employees are given.